In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an object to an app in Salesforce. This is a quick guide that will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand everything clearly. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or you're just starting out, these instructions will help you navigate this task with ease. Let's begin by getting started with the setup. You'll want to look at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface, where you'll notice a gear icon. This is your setup hub, giving you access to a variety of configurations. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open the door to the next step. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From the available options, you are going to select Open Advanced Setup. This area is crucial for managing and customizing your organization's Salesforce interface, so spending a little time getting familiar with it can be very beneficial in the long run. Now, in the advanced setup, you'll find a quick find box. Picture this as your search bar for Salesforce features. In this box, we're going to type in Object Manager. This is a powerful tool that lets you handle all of the objects used in your Salesforce environment, allowing you to customize and add new ones according to your specific needs. When you're in the Object Manager, it's time to bring your new custom object to life. Look for the button labeled Create and go ahead and click on it. This will present you with a couple of options, but for our purposes, you'll need to select Custom Object. This is where the magic happens as you begin crafting your new Salesforce object. Now that you're creating your custom object, there's some important information you need to provide. There are several required fields that you must complete. Start with the label. This will be the name of your object that appears within Salesforce. Next is the plural label, which is simply the plural form of your label. Then you'll fill in the object name. This should be indicative of what this object is or what it will be used for within your app. Lastly, there's the record name. This typically aligns with the inherent naming convention or identifier for each instance of your object. After you've filled in all these fields, you're well on your way to adding this object to your app. But before you wrap up, don't forget the final step. Make sure to save your new object. This is crucial as it turns all your hard work into a functional part of your Salesforce application. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new object to your app in Salesforce. With practice, this process will become second nature, helping you create and customize elements that best serve your organization's needs. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope you feel confident in managing your Salesforce objects. Come back for more useful guides to enhance your Salesforce experience.